The Yorubas don't like the Igbos. Let us be frank about it. The Ijaw man does not like the Igbo man. The Rivers people don't like the Igbo man. But what keeps this southern state of Nigeria together now is the fact of the fear of the domination of the North. I have met it. I came to Lagos 68 years ago as a young boy of 6 years old or 5.5 years. The enmity has always been there. We call them Yamiri. I'm not a Yoruba man, but I speak the language so fluently now. But I knew the Shikism has always been there. The Igbos were controlling the police force then. And you find the Igbo man's wife would start out fighting. And the next time police... So the Shikism has been there. The Cross River State generally, or the River State, don't like the Igbos. That is why Bakassi seceded. Because the attitude of the Igbo-dominated Northern Eastern House of Assembly drove them away from Nigeria. Whereas the northern counterpart of Cameroons, that was accepted as part of northern region, decided to stay with Nigeria. So you can see that the dichotomy has been there, the differences have been there. When it's not politics. When we were young in Lagos, NCNC, led by Zeke, were winning elections up to 1954.
One thing why I don't notice for Nigeria, be say, Igbos not just scapegoat for Nigeria. Once there is mismanagement, once there is chaos in government, the next thing they bring out Igbos. Igbos did this, Igbos did that. Distract the entire citizens. Take a look at what happened before the week of the End Bad Governance protest. Before you know, a senior member of Tinubu's government came out, Bayo Anonuga, that it's Peter Obi, Eastern agenda, Biafra agenda, Nnamdi Kanu agenda. Yet the hunger is glaring across the entire country. Everybody is suffering. People are hungry. And you are coming out to use the Igbo to divert attention of bad governance. Yoruba get problem, na Igbo they suffer. Yoruba Hausa get problem, Igbo they buy. Everybody they use Igbo as scapegoat to use settling scores. Igbo na just use settle scores. Man, if we don't like these people, man, let's let them go. Make we stop to use them to settle scores. It doesn't make sense in my view. Look at what the senior SAN is saying, the senior advocate is saying. That the reason why they are still together in the South is because of the fear of the Northern domination. Doesn't that sound funny to you? Formerly, I used to think old age is synonymous to wisdom. But what this man just said, I'm now having doubt if old age is really actually synonymous to wisdom. Even those people they call a bookie for the North, then get sense past you will be son. Because you will be son, no get sense, now come dey your head. Those people where you they fear, make them not dominate you. Like them go speak to you now. Make you see say nobody want dominate you. Listen to Northerner speak.
We accuse each other and no one is better off. The question is, what is the constitutional process that can lead us to amicably and peacefully sit down and tell ourselves the honest truth? And the honest truth to me is simple. That we can accuse each other, we can point fingers. The question is, who is actually better off? I'm a northerner, I'm from Kano State. And I had been accused by colleagues and brothers in a very civil political discussion of dominating the polity, dominating the economy, and dominating the security. So I asked the question, what is my economic situation? And what is my security situation today? So the question is it working for me if I dominate somebody? It's not. Look at all the indices of development. The North today is actually worse off. Security, education, prosperity, development, I don't know. What have you?
We need to come together. We need to be united as one country. It's going to do us more good if we're united. United we stand and divided we fall.